Hey my cookies! Today I'll be showing you how to make what's gonna be your new favorite side dish. So let's cook. First we need to peel and slice our potatoes. I'm using Russet. You can use Yukon Gold if you like. And you don't want to slice them too thin because when we do this next step of parboiling them, you don't want them to get too mushy. So this gives us the opportunity to make sure these potatoes are good and salted. So salt some boiling water, and then we're going to add our potato slices in for no more than 3 minutes. Okay, let them boil for 3 minutes, then take them out, drain them really well, and set them aside. This will lessen our baking time. So now my favorite part, let's melt some butter and get this sauce rolling. So put the butter in there. Once it melts, it's time to add the jalapeños. Now chop them up, dice them really finely, and then add them into that butter. Stir them around a little bit, saute for about a minute. Then we can add in our flour. I'm using all-purpose flour, and you just want to whisk that around until it's dissolved by that butter and it cooks that floury taste out. It'll take about a minute to do so. Those jalapeños add just the perfect little kick of spice, y'all. Do not skip that step. It's so good. While whisking, we want to slowly add in our heavy cream. I think my babies in the UK call it double cream. I don't know. Let me know if I'm right. But keep whisking, and then we're going to add in whole milk as well. Y'all, I got the perfect measurements this time, okay? The heavy cream and whole milk together. Use my measurements. Click that link in the description box. Don't get it wrong, okay? Keep it whisking. It's going to be perfect. I promise you. It's just going to hug those potatoes. So the other secret weapon, this right here. Y'all know I put cream cheese and everything. Coop, what can we substitute? Can't find the garlic and herb. Nothing. I mean, you can use regular cream cheese, but yo, just wait until you find this. It's so good. Just add that in, and it prevents us from using garlic. We don't have to mince anything up. Look at this consistency, y'all. Once we get everything stirred up, boom. Now, seasonings are very simple. I added onion powder and chicken bouillon powder. That's it. Whisk it together. Go ahead and salt and pepper it to taste, and then we can whisk it together, y'all. This consistency, I'm so proud of it. Now, you want to grease a casserole dish. Just spray it with non-stick cooking spray, and then you're going to use half of the potatoes at the bottom. Layer half on the bottom, then half of your sauce, and then half of your cheese. I'm using Monterey Jack cheese. Highly recommend that you do so. Sometimes I mix it up, but Monterey is the way to go. Then you just do it all over again. Repeat that. A layer of the rest of the potatoes, the rest of the sauce, and then that cheese. And now we're going to bake on 375 uncovered for about 35 to 40 minutes, just until it looks like this. I know you want to eat it, but you gotta wait. Let it cool, let it set for about 20 minutes. Sprinkle on some freshly chopped chives, don't forget that. And then you can dig in. The recipe link will be down there in the description box. Thanks for watching. I gotta eat, so until next time, be blessed.